Next problem. Integral of x square by root over 1 minus x power 6 dx. Actually, this is one of the substitution model. How we convert this is into substitution model. Listen here. X square by 1 minus this x power 6 can be written as x power 6 can be written as x cube whole square. X cube whole square dx. What we have the differentiation that is take it as t. X cube differentiation is 3x square. X cube differentiation is 3x square. So we take x cube is a t. X cube is equal to t. X cube differentiation, this is in the form of x power n into differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. That is 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 3x square is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. This dx is the transfer this side, x square into dx is equal to this 3 is to take this side. Why? Because here we need only x square dx, no need of 3. So this 3 is to transfer this side. Okay, that implies integral of x square into dx is 1 by 3 into dt, remaining 1 by root over 1 minus x cube is we take it as t, 1 minus t square. Okay, that implies here 1 by 3 is a constant take off, integral of remaining 1 by root over 1 minus t square into dt. Actually this is first set. 1 can be written as 1 square, first set, first formula. This is in the form of integral of 1 by root over a square minus x square. 1 by root over a square minus x square. Second set, first formula, that is, formula is sin inverse x by a plus. Okay, this is in the form of root over a square minus x square. Apply this formula, 1 by 3 into sin inverse x is t. So t by a is equal to 1, sin inverse t plus c. After the integration we are adding c. But what is t? T is equal to x cube, sin inverse x cube plus c is the answer. Very important VSAQ. Next, integral of x power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 dx. This is also one of the substitution model. How we convert this into substitution? Listen here. X power 8 by 1 plus x power 18 can be written as x power 9 whole square. 9 whole square. This is in the form of a power m whole power m. That is a power mn. 9 2s are 18. Okay, dx. Substitution model, x power 9 differentiation is 9x power 8. What we have the differentiation? That is take it as t. So we take x power 9 is equal to we take it as t. X power 9 differentiation is, this is in the form of x power n into x power n minus 1. 9 minus 1 is x power 8 is equal to differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. Differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. That implies 9x power 8 into this dx is a transfer this side into dx is equal to dt. But we need only x power 8 dx. So this 9 is a transfer that's it. That is x power 8 into dx is equal to dt by 9. Substitute here. Integral of x power 8 dx is we get dt by 9 into remaining 1 by 1 plus x power 9 is we take it as t. 1 by 1 plus t square. Here 1 by 9 is a constant takeout. Remaining is 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. This is in the form of integral of 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x plus. Okay, apply this formula. That implies 1 by 9 into tan inverse place of x here we have t, so we take tan inverse t plus c. But t equal to 1 by 9 into tan inverse t is equal to x power 9 plus c. These are the substitution model problems, very important here.